Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your deleted photos from Google Photos. For that, go to your Google Photos application. Now here you can see the interface of Google Photos. Now you can see 4 buttons on the bottom part, that is Photos, Search, Sharing and Library. Click on the Library option. Now you can see there are several options at the upper portion like Favorites, Utilities, Archive and Trash. Click on the Trash button. Now you will be able to see all the deleted photos in this section. Now click on the button Select. Now select your desired photos or videos that you want to recover. Like I'm going to recover these 2 videos. Now you can see an option that is Restore. Now click the button Restore. Now click Allow. Now these 2 photos has been restored. In this way you can easily recover your deleted photos from Google Photos. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next one.